Sun is going down. Hey, I'm staying here at this place for a few days. Got a picnic table, grill, beautiful shot of the lake. Actually, that's a river. But man, it's beautiful out here. Got great sunsets and beautiful views. Nice wildlife, seen a couple egrets. Yep, I'm parked in a van. I'm camped in a van down by the river. Got a fire pit here. They've got a swing set over there for kids. Pit toilet. On the other side of that hill is more of the river. Sort of makes like a point over here. And so there's a boat dock over there. I'll take you around here a little bit. There are 10 campsites here. Over there where that white van is, that's where the point is. But it's beautiful here. There's a park host. And the price is free. However, October 1st, it changes. It's going to go up to $10 a night. So I'm taking advantage of it. I'm going to be here for about 4 or 5 days, I think. It's just beautiful here. I love it. Here's some more campsites along the river. Pretty neat. You got one across the road here if you don't want to get river view. If you only want the view but not be by it. Here's the point I was referring to. Like I said, this campground, you follow the road to get here and it sort of dead ends right into this campground because there's nowhere else to go. You got this river on this side and then this river on this side, and it comes to a point. And I thought about camping here, but there's no real fire pit like the other ones. It doesn't have a metal ring. And there's no picnic table. So I just decided to play it safe. And some people have pulled in here and parked and stayed for, I don't know, an hour or two, but then they all leave. It's a great little campsite park. I like it. I hate that they're going to start charging. But that's the way things are going. Here's the boat ramp. There's the pier. Seen some people come out here and fish on it. You have all this parking for your boat and trailer and vehicle. There's a dumpster here. Here you have a pit toilet. It's one holer. It's cleaned. I think they clean it every other day. And here, next to the pit toilet, you can't really park or do anything here, but they do have this outlet so that if you have a cell phone or something you need to charge, you could do it right here. Of course, you probably have to keep your eye on it. And as I mentioned, they have a playground. You got your seesaw and 3 swings. Pretty neat. Fun for the kids. This is a water filling station. Yep, this is where I'm going to stay for the next 3 or 4 nights. As I mentioned, October 1st, you charge $10. And you have to make your reservation through recreation.gov. Hate to see that. $10 camping fee and a $5 boat ramp fee. Oh my. It's a bright sunny morning. It's a bright sunny morning here in Tallahassee River Compound. We're heading out. We're heading south. Going down to Muskogee, gonna do some errands. Yeah, buddy. This is my campsite. And that is part of Lake Eufaula. And I am here in Eufaula, Oklahoma. They have 4 free campsites. Get a trash can, a little grill, and a picnic table. And it's free. It's by the ball fields here. But you're allowed to stay up to 14 days if you want. The lake's a little low, but it's nice. I'm enjoying it here. After today, I'm heading out to Texas. On my way. It's gonna be a great day. Look at those clouds. Hey everyone, hope you're having fun. I am, and you should be too. Well, Rose is traveling, and she was tired, so she got a hotel room for the night. Rose had to call down to the front desk. She said, "There's a man showering across the way, and I can see him naked. It's obscene. You got to do something with this view." The receptionist was puzzled, came up to the room and said, "All right, ma'am, let me look at that window and see what you're seeing." So Rose pointed to the window, and the receptionist looked across there and said, "All I can see is his head." And Rose says, "Oh, come on, get up on the table, then take a look."